Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. It has been a while that we interfaced. I think since last year I have not made any videos. That's simply because I am battling with YouTube because most of the videos that I've been uploading have issues. Most of them have issues, especially the softwares that we have been installing have issues. YouTube is telling me they can't allow someone to teach people about installation of softwares, giving alternative options to a software that is supposed to be purchased. So that's why we are battling. I have actually made so many videos, but I just kept them on the computer because now I don't know I don't know what to do. Otherwise, if you still want those softwares, I think you'll have to now contact me on my email so that I can be able to assist you remotely. But I think uploading the video on YouTube may not be possible now. So today I just want to show you something simple. I know it's a basic thing. I just wanted to show you some of the easiest navigations that people might not really take keen interest or take it serious. For example, your toolbar or the taskbar is down here, but when you want to open your file explorer or you want to go to your PC, you find some people always find it very hard. However, if you just want to open your file explorer, by default they always put it on the taskbar, which is this thing here that looks like a folder. This one shows that it has things inside. That's why it is having the folder icon. So you just tap on it with the name is File Explorer. Instead of going to uh, instead of going to start menu, and then you look for this PC, that kind of thing, it might be a process for you. So simple, come to your taskbar and look for this icon which shows a folder, and it is called File Explorer. You just tap on it, it opens, and from this File Explorer there are also some shortcuts or navigations that can also make your life easier. For example, we are in the home menu. So from the home menu, let me open something from the desktop. For example, now I have this thing on the desktop, and then I want to copy. I want to copy something here, and then take it to, first of all, the copy shortcut is up here. If you don't want to use this, you just click on Ctrl C to copy. So if I want to copy this and take it to another hard drive or another partition in this same computer, instead of also coming to the start menu or going to this PC or trying to look for where I can access the next partition in this computer, I simply tap on this plus icon. This one is to add a new tab. The shortcut is Ctrl T. So when you tap on this, it will still leave your previous tab open, but your next home will be this. So from here you can simply go to the PC without really affecting this thing, this first tab. So here you can go to whatever partition you want. Simply come and paste your thing where you want to paste. After pasting, you can still open more. You can open as many as possible. So this is an important shortcut or navigation that I feel I should tell you. I'm sure some people don't know this, much as it might look obvious, but with computer there are small things that you may not really pay attention to, and it can be helpful. And if I also want to have many of these things, for example, I want to be playing a song, but at the same time I want this toolbar or this window to be open so that I can do certain work. For example, now let me play one of these videos I did. This video, let me turn off the audio. So the video is playing here, but I want to work on something else, but I still want this video to be visible. So what I do, I can simply come here to this part here. This is another option of minimizing, but it helps you to also access other windows, but I think it is only possible with the Windows 11. So you just come here, you click on any of these options. For example, these ones have only two. You can use two different windows at the same time. Here you can use the same, here you can use three, here you can use as many as 4 different windows. For example, now if I click on this, it will bring it here, and then it will give me another option of window that I want to put aside this. So I can just put on this. That means I can do work from here on the right window as I keep watching this. So if I also want to put another window, for example, when I click here, I want to add the third window, I can click on any of this. Basically, these are some of the options of navigations and shortcuts that I feel you may not have used, but they do exist in your Windows 11. So you can be doing 4 different works at the same time through these navigations. So you can do something here, you can do something here, you do something here, something here. So this, I believe, can help you. And if you found this really useful, please make sure you subscribe to Lulua TV Tech. I hope to see you in the next one, especially if you need any assistance IT related. Please make sure you send me an email that I will leave in the description below. Thank you so much, and see you again.